Hello, this is Iminjan Saiden's daughter Samira. The widespread of the coronavirus in China has imposed potential threat to the life of millions of innocent Uyghurs in Xinjiang detention camps and prisons. My father, Iminjan Saiden, a 54 years old middle-aged man who has medical history of high blood pressure and heart problems, is one of the victims of this Chinese government's evil act in Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region. The addition of the coronavirus threat on top of the existing horror is making me extremely worried about my father's safety and well-being. China has described these camps as boarding schools, which provides vocational trainings, discourage radicalization, and fight terrorism. However, according to RFA's Uyghur service, all these people are detained against their will. They routinely face the rough treatments at the hands of their overseers. They endure poor diets and unhygienic conditions in the often crowded facilities. Iminjan Saiden is nothing near what the Chinese government accused him of. My father is a prominent historian and he owns a book publishing house. He has always aimed to deliver knowledge to students and to the Uyghur people in Xinjiang region. The Chinese government arbitrarily detained him back in 2017, disappeared him for 2 years straight. I recently heard that he was falsely accused and sentenced to prison for 15 years for the crime that he did not commit. Extremism is never near my father's ideology. How do you even relate a person that stresses heavily on personal development and success to such trumped-up charge? I strongly urge the Chinese government to release my father immediately and resume our contact as soon as possible.